Here's the robot in its original configuration, just testing the movement of the tracks, and a early prototype of an actuated arm. I decided that this was a little crude and not very useful for the functions that I wanted. Just basically taking it for a test drive here, making sure the radio control functions, the steering, and the tracks aren't going to pop off. It handles very well, and it's quite heavy, and should be able to move objects, lawn mowers, weed eaters, etc. Here's a little more sophisticated actuated arm that I'm working on. I believe this will have a much greater range of motion, more useful. Basically built out of radio controlled servos and some plexiglass and a whole lot of trial and error. Just to show that it can indeed grab a hold of things and manipulate them, I hand the arm an empty bottle, move it around. Unfortunately, that's out of frame. That's terrible. But you get the general idea. It can grab things, pick them up, manipulate them, and then release them as needed. Here we're looking at the video feed from a wireless camera mounted on the arm itself, which should allow you to see what you're trying to pick up or move, manipulate, etc. You can see the claw or the hand rotating back and forth, opening and closing. Here you see some of the circuitry that I built. The radio receiver, transmitter, and a small board that I made some voltage regulators on to make my ancient equipment work with modern batteries, and also to separate the servo power from the radio power, which allows the servos to do a lot more work and not overpower the transmitter. and receiver.